Okay, hello everyone. I hope everyone is having a good time. And today, why are we here? Why are you watching this video? Essentially, I took a course at Stony Brook of CSE564, which is a course for visualization. And as you guys know, visualization is all about creating a story, a visual story, as we say, to narrate a visual story. Today again I'll be here to narrate a visual story. The story that I will be narrating is essentially the story of nuclear explosions. Yeah, that's something that we're not everyone is not psyched about, but it's something that I found very interesting, so I thought we'll dive into it. So essentially, for our project we have to make bar graphs and histograms. So bar graphs and histograms is bar graphs of categorical variables wherein we calculate the frequency, and histograms where we took continuous variables, bin them into nice tiny bins so we can then look over them. Anyways, going over the data once really quickly. So the data is of nuclear explosions. This data set has every nuclear explosion that has ever happened on the face of Earth from 1945 to 1998. That's a lot. Yeah, I know that's humanity is after killing each other, but that's not our today's topic. So as you can see, it's a CSV data. It's got the date, the year, the ID, straightforward things. Country that has done the test, either it can be a test or waging for any other purpose. Any nuclear device that have been latitude, longitude, magnitude, depth, yields. These are pretty straightforward. Purpose tells us if it's a combat purpose, it's for a weapons research program. It can be many purpose. The name of the bomb and the type. Okay. Once we have get that, let's just quickly very quickly see. Okay, here is all of the data. It's huge, massive. Yeah, thank you humanity. Anyways, you can go down, keep going down, lots of data, lots of points. You can see India, Pakistan recently getting into the race for nuclear weapons. Apart from that, you can see USSR, France. Yeah, USSR is previous name for Russia, as you may know. Union of Socialist Socialist Republic, I believe. I'm so sorry if I've said that wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. Thanks a lot. Yeah, once we are done with this, we can see, oh, Hiroshima, Nagasaki. Yeah, not something to be happy about. Anyways, so this is my project. This is pretty straightforward. We use JavaScript, HTML and CSS. Pretty straightforward. Tells it what to do. Oh, I have to select an option. I go for an option. Say for example, I select a year. Whoa, very impressive. Do you see the kind of transition there, all kind of transition there? Oh, say for example you want to see a country. Oh, these are the countries that have done nuclear tests. As you can see, USA, USSR, UK, France, China, India, Pakistan are in the name as well. On the y-axis you can see the frequency, x-axis you can see the country, and if I want to know what exactly is the value of USSR, all I have to do is kaboom. I can just see how many tests each have performed. As you can see, India has a frequency of 3 tests, China has done 45 tests. I mean, these are the number of times they've used this weapon. Yeah, so these are called categorical variables. We have many more. We can see region. As you can see, all of the regions where the testings, the bombings have been done. We can see the source. What are the kind of sources? And other we can see purpose. As you can see, WR, if you remember from the checking that we did. Oh, can we go back? Yeah, WR is weapons development program. If you can see, the most testing are done for weapons development. Here ID, let's see the IDs. So these are the IDs, pretty straightforward. Country, straightforward. Source, straightforward. Okay, so now let's get to the juicy stuff. Okay, what is binning? Okay, essentially I've put it into bins. Now you'll be like, oh, I like do you see this bin slider? What could it do? So first of all, just go over. You can see, as you can see, that it's the range between is from 5.2 to 5.4 magnitude of body. We have 123. We can select another one, 99, so on and so forth. These essentially tell us the frequency. Now, whoa, what does this do? Pretty fancy, right? It essentially changes the bin size. Now the bin size is a little more smaller. As you can see, I can go right on the top, break it into many small bins, go right small, break it into bins. So yeah, this is how it works. Pretty fancy, right? Love the animation. Sorry for a little self pat on the back, as you can see. Also, some variables, not essentially all variables, might be as spread out as, say for example, these. Like they look like a normal distribution. Some variables might have a concentration. I have not ignored those variables. We have plotted those variables as well. Purpose, type, and yeah. So we can go to country. Finally, we can go to type. Yeah. Okay, wait. Is this? Yeah, year. You can bin it according to the years. I think the year binning will be the best. You can see, oh, 1960 to 65, and the Cold War was right at the top. We had most testings done. So let's just see the type now. Okay, one more feature that I implemented. As soon as they take a slight angle, 45-degree angle, as soon as they start realizing they might clash, and pretty neat touch, right? Yeah, and you can hover over and see. Okay, so shaft testing is 1015. With that, I think I'll wrap up my video. I hope you guys loved it. If you wanna get the code, you can just hit me up on YouTube, or you can email me. I'll try to post my email as well. I'm a Stony Brook student. You can search me on LinkedIn. You can find me on GitHub. Wherever you can. It's pretty interesting what visualization can do. So yeah, thank you for watching my video.